Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can create this simple contact form in Elementor Pro without using any third-party form builder. You can see I have added this contact form, and when you add the fields and click on this contact button, it will send an email to our given email address. So to create it, let's go to your Elementor page builder where I will show you how to create from scratch. So here is my Elementor page. First of all, I will add a new section with 2 columns. Now I will change its minimum height to fit to screen, and the width of box is 900. Now in the first column, I will click on this plus button and drag an heading widget. I will add my heading text here. Now I will go to style, and in typography I will change the font size. So I will add 50 or 40, perfect for this. Now under it I will add text editor. First of all, I will change this paragraph type to H5. Now I will change text. Now I will go to second column and I will add form widget. So go to this widget section, scroll down. Here you can see in the pro section you can get a form widget. Keep in mind that this form widget only works in Elementor Pro. Now here you can see you have these fields and the other labels. First of all, I will go to advanced and I will add some spacing. I will unlink this padding. I will click on %. At the top and bottom I will add 5%, and on the right and left side I will add 15. Now I will go to content. Now here you have 3 different fields: name, email and message. So I want there, instead of name, I want first name and second name. So first of all I will duplicate this field. Now I will change its column width to 50%. Now I will go to second field and also I will change its column width to 50%. So it was appeared in the same line. Now first of all I will change the label and hide it. Now I will go to first field and change its placeholder to first name. Now go to second field and its placeholder I will add last name. Now you have these fields, you can add any of these fields. Here in the type you have different options like URL, telephone, radio, select or any upload file, but I will leave them. Just I will go to buttons. Here in buttons you can change the size, but I will change the alignment. I will make it center. Here you can change the text. Here in submit I will change it from send to contact us. Now I will go to style, and here you can change the column gap and row gap. First of all I will increase the column gap. Now you can see the gap between these two columns was increased, but I will make it 10. Also you can change the row gap like that, but 10 is perfect for this. Now you can change the spacing between the labels, but I haven't add labels, so it will not work for me. Now you can go to fields. Here for the fields you can change the text color that user add in the form fields. I will make it black. You can change the typography for this text and also fields background color. Here I will just add the 5 pixels of radius, so you can see it was little bit cornered. Now I will go to buttons. Here I will change the border type. I will make it solid and I will make it 0. So you can see this border was disappeared. Now I will change the background color. So I will click on there and I will add this background color. Now you can also change the text color, but I will leave it as default. Yes, I will go to hover and I will change the background color on hover. So it will appear like that on hover. Now I will go to messages. Now here you can change the success message color. I will make it green. For the error message I will make it red. Now the most important thing, where this form goes after submission. So for this, go back to content and scroll down. Here click on action after submit. Make sure their email was selected and then you got this email tab. Click in here and here you have to add the receiving email. I will add SoftAsia@gmail.com. Now here you can change the subject, but I will make it only a new message. Now you will get all the form submissions on this email. Now I will update the page. Now after updating, I will click on this I button to preview the changes. Now here you have your form. Fill the fields. I will add some dummy text here. Now click on contact us. Now here you can see the success message appears in the green color. You can use any of your color. Now I will check my email to check this form. So I will open my email. Now here you can see you have got this email. Click on it. Now here you can see the first name, second name, email and the message from the user. That's how you can create a simple contact form using Elementor Pro form widget. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.